fucking jump!
As you saw in my earlier video, Can I Gap the Whitetail, I ended up hitting the gap jump on this jump line, and overcoming my fear of some of the gap jumps. However, I learned very quickly that there was another jump line here, but the day that I cleared the gap jump, wasn't able to go check it out. I had to make a return trip and discover this new trail with other jumps and gap jumps on it.
I'm gonna change my battery here in a second, but this is Tower, and the new trail that jumps on it is up here. That's either it over there, or this goes to it. Somebody's going south for the winter. Look at that. No more goose poop on the trail. Oh my gosh, there's probably 200 of them up there. Wow. I'm gonna go around. Sorry. So there must have been about 1,000 geese that just flew overhead. Okay, so there is some serious stuff on this next trail. This jump line. There's a big berm right here. So we're gonna see. Yep, I can see it to my, oh my gosh. Shake and bake. Oh, I think they've got gaps on this. Jumps and drops. So basically the sign says don't do this on a rigid bike and don't have no helmet, because clearly this guy is on a rigid bike and he has no helmet. His head's about to fall off too. Pre-ride, re-ride, free ride. That is exactly what I would recommend. I'm gonna see what this is like. Okay, so it's a gap. So that one and the one below are both 7-foot gaps. That's actually pretty good. The other jumps before it and after it are actually pretty big. They're bigger than that. Oh yeah. Wow. This is like super rocky. Oh, that's a gap jump. Oh, I took a gap jump without even looking. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. That, I can do that too. Wow. So I'm gonna do that again. I think I'm gonna start at the berm. And then I'll try to get that berm gap the third time. Pretty sweet trail, actually, if you ask me. I mean, man alive, you're gonna get some serious speed and it's serious chunk rock. It's almost too fast, too quick. See, when I feel like I got my speed and momentum, I don't have any problems doing stuff. I'm glad I have my full face on today. Wow. Did I say wow yet? And I'm at the top of the hill again now. I'm gonna take a little break and then I'm gonna hit it again. Unless there's more. Oh, there's more. Oh my gosh. I want to clear the gap jumps. Here's another one. Tree branch gap. I think I can do that, but I might not do that today. I'm gonna go check out the rest of these jumps that continue into the woods. This one here, I think if you cranked hard, so I think if you cleared that, then you can get the rest of these. Yep, it's definitely some noise from my helmet. So here's another cutout point, or cut in. I feel like I could probably do these. So I know this is the easy. This is also the easy. Wow, that's actually quite a flop. This is actually pretty new too. Yeah, this isn't really rideable right now. It needs to be packed in. They must have built this Yeah, there's sawdust on the trail from them cutting the trees out. So I think rolling that a lot would be probably a good idea. I'm down to like almost no battery. So this is definitely the last time I do this. Hey! Easy. Wow! You get kicked on that one. Totally clearing stuff. Whoa! Yeah, I just cannot get myself to do that drop.
Last thing I did on this trip was look again at the gaps. The ones I had done, like this one here, this is the 10-footer I finally mastered. However familiar I was getting, I was still not up to mastering that higher step up. So, a return trip was in order for spring of 2022.
Wow, that's a gap. I don't know if this is going to be a gap or not. It looks pretty. Yeah, not quite done yet. I think this is intended to be a gap. That's actually pretty big. Well, they're looking more gap-like. Yeah, they add more dirt to the rear end of this one. I think they did. A little overgrown. Doesn't look too bad though. I know, it's like, holy crap. Looks way worse than it is. This is a gap that I didn't do. And then, obviously, we have...
Obviously, this is a recap from my Grandstand timeline jump line video that I did earlier. This time I'm just looking at the gap jumps, and this was a little bit of a blunderous affair for me. I did not feel up to it, but I did get this one gap jump on the new bike, so I guess I was pretty happy about that.
Oh yeah! Big air! Okay, so this is shake and bake. I did this last year, so you know what's going on with this trail. Definitely know what's going on with this trail. Whoa! A little bit off. Holy cow, it's way rockier than I remember it. Yeah, this is not a drop. Okay.
While the majority of my riding and returning to areas this year has been wonderful, today just wasn't my day, and I ended up just scouting stuff and planning for a return trip.
Not ready. This is a gap. Tree grab. I'm just not feeling it at all. I'm gonna run through this just to see.
However, as my physical condition continued to hinder me, and I started to lose it, I wondered if I could ever master all the gaps here.
Whoa! Whoops. Nice save. Greetings, people, folks and space aliens. That's a tree down right before the ramp thing. So I'm here at Whitetail. This is the first ride I've taken in like 2 weeks. Official trail ride. So I'm just gonna take it easy. But I'm here to do tabletops on shake and bake. See how I feel, and I'm hoping to get up to Willow today too. So I'm also going to try to get the gaps that I can get. The one that really scares me, but this is the gap, kind of scares me a little bit. I've done this tabletop plenty of times. For some reason, I just don't feel like I have enough speed to get that gap. And it's not that big. It's not any bigger than the one up on the hill. In fact, it's about the same. It even has a little yellow sign, caution gap ahead. Oh, that's actually not that bad. It's actually not that bad. Well, we'll see. I'm going to keep going. My goal is to get up to shake and bake. And I don't know if this will be the continuation of the video I got at home. It's going to be kind of long. I'm going to try to clear all the jumps. Don't know if I'll do the drop. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Oh, geez. Oh. That was not a good run. What did I do? Send it, brake a little bit. There we go, there we go, there we go. Oh yeah, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go.
Obviously my initial runs were a little bit shaky on shake and bake, but I did feel confident enough to clear the tables here. Didn't feel confident enough to do anything else. So I ended up riding across country and running into some guys who had never ridden shake and bake and was wondering where it was. So I showed them, and this is their reaction after riding it first time.
So these guys just did shake and bake for the first time. What'd you think?
That was cool. Yo! Oh, there's more?
Well, there's smaller stuff. There's a tree gap there, which I haven't done, and then there's jumps past it. There's a few tables that are pretty easy.
Hit that tree thing right now. That drop's pretty fun. All right, hold on, I'm gonna try this one. Go ahead. What's the backside like?
It's just a ramp, and then there's another jump after it.
I'll check it out. Thanks again, man.
Yeah.
Dude, what's your name?
My name's Austin.
Austin?
Yeah.
Thanks, man.
Elder Raven is my...
Evan and Marshall.
Yeah, that's about right. Nice. So this is the gap up here that I got on my other bike. I've never actually done this on this bike. Oh yeah, piece of cake. I forget how bonkers it gets after that. I've done this trail in a long time, but ta-da! And a gap jump. That is actually really easy. And then another one. They're building gap jump. I mean, I'm trying to get all the gap jumps here. I really am. I'm falling behind. But I'm gonna come out on the grandstand now. We're gonna check that out. We're gonna check out the south end. That looks a lot better than the other one was. I'm gonna try to hit it. They've actually been working on these. This one is pretty good too. Pretty big. And then this is a gap. And then they're working on more down the line. So it never ends. I'm gonna try to hit these. So now this is the gap jump I'm definitely afraid of because it's so low and short and long. Low and short jumps and long distance. Oh, that's what I call bobtailing. Oh, I'm really tired. Oh yeah. I don't think I cleared that big one really well. Or maybe not even at all. Oh, so close. All right, next year. Yeah, I think I can get that first one after the big wooden bridge now. I couldn't get it last time. It's a little shorter.
Well, we're amateurs for sure, just learning, so.
Well, everybody's got to start somewhere.
Yeah.
I'm celebrating 20 years of dirt jumps, so.
Oh, wow.
But my physical condition isn't anywhere near what it should be, so.
None of us.
Yeah.
It's always the battle.
I've done that one, the gap.
Yeah.
That's super easy. Once you get these, that's
Yeah.
super easy. You just got to go for it.
Well, that's the thing, is you gotta have the confidence to just go.
Yeah, they built some new stuff back in here, too.
Oh, yeah?
They got a bunch of gaps back in here.
Oh.
I feel good. It's just, I have just the symptoms I've had for a while, and it's just like, I don't know. I'm gonna go to Willow and do the jumps there. And, okay, so here's the skinny. So I came out like right here, so those gaps, yeah, see the gaps are like right here. Yeah, they come up on you pretty quickly. Okay, whoa.
With my energy level at all-time low and my confidence being kind of median, I decided just to focus on the tabletops and return for the gap jumps and the step ups and all that good stuff.
I do not have the energy in me to even try to do this step up today. You know, if you look at the actual distance between the two, it's only like an extra foot. Oh, these suck. I got that one. Oh, tail heavy. Yeah, those suck right now.
Within all of this, of course, I realized on my trip northward to Willow State Park and doing stuff there, mastering all the jumps there, by the way, that day, I realized I could do the gap jumps that were here. It was just a matter of me getting my energy level back and being able to actually just commit to doing them. All the tables here were easy enough. Why not do the gaps too? So there will be a part 2 hopefully here. Maybe even yet this year.
Well, that concludes another ride at Whitetail Ridge. And I'm gonna try this new energy drink here while I'm biking. Like crazy. Gonna see what this is like. Here we go. It's a Rock Steer Pudding and Cheese. Oh! That stuff is nasty! Who would ever drink that? It's unopened. I could do it again. I drank like a bunch of it, so I didn't waste all of it. I'm gonna try this new energy drink. Here we go. Hey! Oh no, it's a road hazard. Oh, they used to like attach to your tires and then you get stuck up here and make noise. So I'm gonna go litter this on the trail now. Kidding.